हाय फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग. याच्यात मेट तुमकां आनी काल आम लेट पावली सो रात कांय शूट बी कांयच केलें ना आनी हांव व्हिडियो एडिटींग कोत्तालें सो तेदो तो व्हिडियो न्हू राती कोडे फ्रेश बी जाय व्हिडियो एडिटींगाक बसलोलें ओके तेदो तो व्हडलो जावपा लागलो सो हांवें कितें चिंतिल्लें तेजे 2 पार्ट्स कोरया म्हूण सो फस्ट आनी सेकेंड वो हांवें सेकेंड हाफा फस्ट स्टार्टींग गायला ओके सो सांगपा म्हळ्यार न्हू हांव फस्ट टायम पावलो थिंगा फस्ट टायम पावलोलें ओके हांवें केन्नाच उन्ना लायक हांवें इश्टाचेर जावं अशें करून सोशल मिडियाचेर चोयल्लें बट रियल हांवें फस्ट टायम चोयलां थिंगा कितलो लोक म्हणा काय वय सो आसलो बरें म्हाका लायक जालें हांवें एन्जॉय केलो सज्जां ही पार्टी सो तुमो व्हिडियो चोयाय ओके आनी हांव हिंगा आसा डायरेक्ट म्हणटा तुमकां तुमकां तोरी व्हिडियो लायक जाल्यार लायक कराय आनी मुगे कोणें चॅनल सबस्क्रायब केना जाल्यार प्लीज मुगे चॅनल सबस्क्रायब कराय बेगीन 800 कराय सो मेट तुमकां दुसऱ्या व्हिडियो ओके सो आतां तुमी हो व्हिडियो एन्जॉय कराय बाय.
And from Goa! Okay, so let's start. Votes. So they have 2 votes already. Can you make some noise once again? Clap for them. Oh, that's great. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. You couldn't get better. Please note, you can welcome them, but please do not climb onto the boat. We do have lifeguards on duty, but I'm sure not all of you can get on the boat. Please. Thank you. Sing it again. Sanjo, Sanjo! Sanjo, Sanjo! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, in case you want to capture this beautiful boat in your cameras, you can do so. But so that you keep on making some noise for it. As I said earlier, that's the USP of our Julius Satnam, the boat parade. Can you make some noise for this boat, ladies and gentlemen? Can I request all the members of Wari group to please come on to the stage? And ladies and gentlemen, they are beautifully attired in some clothes, and very now they are going to be on the stage, led by Eddie, I believe. Edgar, requesting you all to please come on to the stage without. To refresh your memories, we have plenty of sport prizes that will be coming your way. Prizes going out in gold. And ladies and gentlemen, we have wonderful that just made its way. So come on guys, as I said earlier, let's try to make some noise for these beautiful boats out there. Our third boat that has arrived today is the Goa Tourism Float, featuring the president of the Shoreline Boat Festival and Cultural Organization at the end, accompanied by a young couple and none other than the Shoreline MLA, Mrs. Delilah Lowe. Ladies and gentlemen, get your hands together for the Goa Tourism Float boat right there. Get your hands together, come on now.
Am I right? And sorry, can you make some noise for that boat as well?
Ladies and gentlemen, get your hands together for Zor Boys. Give them a round of applause. Come on, get your hands together. Sanjo! No, it doesn't work like that. No, you don't scream out nice and loud. Sanjo!
Thank you. Alright, requesting the Wadi group to please come on to the stage. Yeah, can we have the Wadi group to come on the stage, please? You're not wasting any time.
Eles tipo
Alright, they're going to perform dance right now. The Wadi group.
Chore.
With the first performance of the day, ladies and gentlemen, Wadi Group.
Yo, varga.
To Shri Suresh Gopi, Minister of State for Tourism, Government of India. Ladies and gentlemen, we come get your hands together for some of them. At the same time, we also would like to welcome
가로로서 아 이게 저는 무슨 껍데기라고
Requesting the presence of Choli Sangam Committee
와우
to escort our dignitaries onto the stage. Prize for the oldest person present out here. It's still on. If you're making a move out there, remind you again, you got to come and wait by the side of the stage. You will be welcome on stage shortly. Till then, open up your umbrellas. Do not open up your umbrellas. Exercise your spirit. We are joining the good degrees out of the house to keep you entertained, to keep your ears and your feet moving. Join the good degrees of all of you. Yes. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, please get your hands together for the Minister of State Tourism Government of India, Shri Suresh Gopi. Well, ladies and gentlemen, what we are about to do right now is officially start this entire festival, and it will be done by our chief guest right here, by Shri Suresh Gopi and Shri Kanade right here. On that countdown, ladies and gentlemen, all you got to do is scream as loud as you can. We go down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sandro! Sergio! Sergio!
आज या सेलिब्रेशनाक हांगा आमचे बरोबर उपस्थित युनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर स्टेट टुरिझम हांगा मुद्दम केला ते हांगा आयिल्ले आसात। हांव तुमच्या सगळ्यांच्या वतीन तेंचे हार्दिक स्वागत करता। सुरेश गोपीजी हांगा ते सगळे फॉलोवर तेचे आसात। आमची लोकल MLA दिलेला लोगो आमचे टुरिझमचे संदीप जाकीर, आमचे डायरेक्टर केदार नाईक या
Around me, I can say that Saujao is something to be felt, not merely described or carried for messages to other parts of the country and the world. They should all come down to Goa and experience this island inflammable spirit.
कमिटी गावात आम्ही ताका फेलिसिटेट करूंक सोदता। म्हाका आमचो चीफ गेस्ट सर गोपी हाचे लागीं ताका शॉल
I now request the President of the Shuluk Committee and acknowledge the collaboration, the entire effort, the all the help that has come through from Goa Tourism to Sri Kedar Naik. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the gentleman like you on stage. The ever smiling, ever calm gentleman like this. I now call upon the ever-energetic Holy Cross boys from Shapora to make their way on stage. Come on, gentlemen. As they make their move on stage, here's a quick announcement about this group. All these years, nothing has been able to beat the energy that these gentlemen carry with them. Believe me, they've been sitting there, they've been there, they've been everywhere. You can see all of them. But as of now, turn your attention to the cross deck. We have the
Darren and his group from God Tourism Dance Australia requesting you to please come to the dance stage for you to perform right away.
English so that all those out here can understand the message that I'm going to give you. Our heritage is not going to survive by remembering it, but if we live it, the traditions, music, dances, occupations, language, and the values of Goa are more than memories of the past. They know Goa only through books, photographs, videos, and social media. They may hear about our rich heritage, but will never experience its beauty. The future of Goa's heritage lies in our hands, and we need to cherish it, celebrate it, and keep it alive, so that generations to come may not simply read about Goa's heritage, but proudly live it. Sanjoaच्या पूर्वी दिसा दाखवून आयल्या मायस जोर boys म्हणतात. Goa is our heritage, our traditions. Thank you.
Zor voice. Saja, Saja.